Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a very interesting IV card, invitation card for your parties and weddings, etc. So what you have to do is to go to the Canva app or website version, click on templates, then scroll to the template section and click on cards and invitations. Now the next step would be to choose a template that you can work with, or the type of card you want to create. Is it an invitation card, a normal card, a postcard? So, or you can just scroll down and choose the high quality or invitation template that have already been created that you can work around. So let's say I'm celebrating my 25th birthday. I can choose something like this. Gold, black and gold. This is very lovely. I can also see samples for other birthdays, and I can choose. So let's say I've seen this, I can click on customize and go ahead to customize that particular template to suit my purpose. Or let's say I'm planning a wedding. Okay, let me just type in wedding card. That should be more applicable. So once I've good. So this is the design is available for wedding card. So I can just scroll or look around and choose a wedding card that's is similar to what I want to do, and then I can go ahead and create or rather customize it. Even if I'm having a birthday party, I can just say party card, and it will bring templates that I can use for that. So this is party card. Good, you officially invited a birthday party. So this is how to create invitations for weddings and parties on Canva. If you've enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.